Hi everyone. So coming to today's vacancies, Cohance is conducting walk-in at Nacharam for their formulation plants in Nacharam and Pashamylaram, Hyderabad. Vacancies are there in production 2 to 5 years, ITA, BSc, QC 3 to 7 years, MSc, and here you can see for production operators, pellets, compression, capsule filling, secondary packing, and executives packing pellets. QC analyst, dissolution, limbs, analytical validation, and location is Pashmailaram. For quality assurance, IPQ and vendor management, Nacharam and Pashmailaram, 2 to 4 years and 4 to 8 years, B.Pharm or M.Pharm. Engineering maintenance department. So in that, instrumentation and documentation, Pashmailaram, Hyderabad, 5 to 8 years and 2 to 4 years, Diploma, B.Tech or M.Tech. So interview timings are 12th October. So 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Resume, photocopies of educational certificate, payslips, and CTC structure. Interview location: Cohance Lifesciences, Nacharam. Contact number and scan the QR code for details. And then another one is this is an internship. Apprenticeship opportunity from the same company on 9th October, 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Documents required: recent passport size photo, photocopies of educational certificates. So eligibility: BSc Chemistry, Life Sciences, B Pharma, B.Tech, and MBA in HR. Female, pass out 23-25. Rotational shifts. Benefits: stipend, medical insurance, free transportation. For B Pharmacy 21,500, BSc 18,500, BTech MBA 23,500. Next vacancy is from Alkem. So walk in on 11th October, Saturday 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Production manufacturing engineering. So for engineering, BTech electrical or electronics engineering freshers can apply, and production manufacturing, B Pharma, M Pharma, ITA diploma candidates with 2 years minimum experience is required in manufacturing, granulation, compression, coating. So Koch, Sejong, Jia coating. So interested can attend the interview. Documents required are mentioned here. Venue: Alkem Laboratories, Thana, Baddi district, Salon.